You know parkour? Back to sort of knowing. Better safe than sorry.
Oh, it's gonna hurt! Say hello to your daughter for me! For fuck's
It's just warming up.
I'm gonna end you! Party's over, Doc! Leave me alone! Bye, loser! I'm gonna fucking end you!
Chimpy's over.
This is your last breath!
Just with...
Fucking shit! I'll smash you like a... bug! You'll never cross my family again! Time, fucker! I'ma send you to hell! I'm gonna Titanic the hell out of you! Not again!
Back to sort of normal.
Oh, come on! Stand back!
Saving this for later.
I'll smash you like a bug! My lawyer is gonna sue you!
It's just warming up.
Get out, asshole!
Better safe than sorry.
Cross my family again! Party's over, Doc! Not now. Shit! What out? I need more feed! Party's over. Oh, it's gonna hurt! Still, bitch! Your shitty Jedi mind trick. Nope, get up. Die, fucker! Dead. Fucking back off!
Just what I needed. Chimpy's over.
Bitch!
Back to sort of normal.
You'll never cross my family again! Screw you!
Saving this for later.
Party's over. bitch daughter. You're fucking dead!
Took you long enough.
But now,
Deep's card's knackered. Use Parkour's hand on the palm scan. Get his hand on the reader now. Do what you've got to do.
back to sort of normal. Chimp V should help me cut off Parkour's arm.
Elevator's up and running now. That's your way out.